Hello, my viewers. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Shitu Mathematics class. Today's tutorial is going to be mainly for kids, and at the same time is going to be helpful for the adults too. Like a teacher like me, it's going to be helpful for me too. So now I want you to kindly, subscribe to this channel if you have not, so that you'll be able to get my videos anytime I upload. So now what we are going to be doing today, as I said before, is going to be mainly for kids, and it's going to be very helpful for them and to us as a teacher. So now I have on this board, you can see we have even numbers multiplied by 5, 55 and 55, that is 555. So as we can see, 5 is a number that is very, very famous, popular in mathematics. So therefore, whenever you multiply an even number by 5, you don't stress yourself, you don't have problem at all. What you just need to do, you just need like 2 steps. Are you getting now? And you get your answer. It's very going to be helpful. So now let's get started. Okay, before that, let me quickly give you the introduction of what we are going to do. Whenever you are given an even number multiplied by 5, what you need to do is very simple. What you have to do is that you divide the even number by 2 and add 0 to the 2 at the back. So you have what? To the number at the back, and you have the what? You have the answer. Let me come again. You divide the even number by 2. Whatever the result is, you write it down. Then you add 0 to the back of the number, and you have the result. So I want you to follow me and see what we are going to do now. So let's start from here. I have 8 multiplied by 5. So now you can see that the 8 is an even number, and you are multiplying this by 5. From what I said before, what we need to do, just divide this one by 2 and give us what? 4. I get it now? Then what is the next thing to do? You add 0 to 8. Can you see? So 8 by 5 give us what? Give us 40. Then let's look at this one also. So we have 4 multiplied by 5. 4 is an even number. Divide 4 by 2. We have 2. Don't forget that we are multiplying by 5. And whenever you are multiplying by 5, what do? Add 0 to 8. So this is telling us that 4 by 5 or multiplied by 5 is going to be what? It's going to give us 20. Let's go to the second one. We have 12 multiplied by 5. The same thing we are going to do. We have what? We have 12. Divide 12 by 2. Okay? We have 6. Then add 0. We have what? 12 multiplied by 5 is what? Is 60. Then we have 24 multiplied by 5. So now 24 multiplied by 5. 24 is an even number. So we try to divide 24 by 2. But don't forget that this one is going to give us 12. Now this is what we have a little, changes here. We are going to take it, we have just a difference. You understand? From what? From this and this. And the difference is that whenever here, when we divided this by 2, what we have is what? We have a single digit, which is 1 digit. But here, when we divide this 25 by 2, we have what? We have 2 digits, which is 12. So what we are going to do now is that it's very simple. Write the 12 down and what? And add 0 to it. Very simple. Can you see? What do we have? We have 120. So now let's go further. From here, the same thing we are going to do. You divide this one by 2, that is 122 by 2. So this is going to give us 2 in 12, 6. 2 in 2 is what? Is 1, then add 0. So we have that 122 multiplied by 5 is going to give us what? 610. Then let's go further to this place. We have what? We have this divided by 2, that is 422 divided by 2 This is going to give us 2 in 2 here is what? Is 2. 2 divided by 2 here, we have 2. We have 1. 2 in 2 here, we have what? We have 1. Then add 0. So we are going to have what? 2,110 to be our final result. Guys, yeah, I've actually come to the end of today's lecture or today's tutorial. So now watch out for the part 2. So in the next video on this particular topic, so we are going to be proceeding to multiplication of an even number by what? By 55. I get it now, so watch out for it. I want to believe that you enjoy the class. So if you actually enjoy the class and you don't want to miss my class, do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button. Hit on the bell right beside the subscribe button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload my new videos. Thank you for watching.